Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, Core Faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this segment, I'm going to be going over a certain need in order to create a topic idea, a research topic on gun violence. Um, there's there's actually a need for more research collaborations, and very important to select topics that are amenable to a cross-disciplinary or multidisciplinary approach. Now, everything is very easy to get lost in the jargon. However, when interdisciplinary collaboration is implemented, this is important to be implemented across the university. So let's go ahead and get started. One quick way to understand if there's an interest among students for that research topic or research discipline is by typing in that topic area within the search button. So what I did here is I selected one area of interest that I've worked with multiple collaborators, a recent graduate and another individual from law enforcement, and also another graduate from the doctoral program in criminal justice. So gun violence, if you search gun violence, then all of these dissertations come up here. And you can kind of take a look by discipline. So is there an interest in just criminal justice, as people would think, or are there other disciplines that are interested in gun violence? And surely enough, we see that social and behavioral sciences, there is 208 articles, dissertations that have been written in this field. And then the list goes on. What I was interested in, because my discipline is public health, there's actually 17 articles in public health. Now, mind you, this is only in Walden University, these dissertations. They don't include dissertations from other universities, just so that we're clear on the disciplines that these cover. So there's a huge list. I encourage you to take a look at this. There's a lot of keywords, very important keywords to be keeping in mind when you're thinking about gun violence. These are terms that you can use in your research as you conduct them. And then this goes into publication year. So far in this year, in 2024, there have been about 15 gun violence dissertations written. So over here, as you can see, the publication types, 288 theses and dissertations have been written in this area, 16 journal articles. So this is what tells us that this is a topic that should be further explored. And there's actually connections with social determinants of health, something that our university and additional universities have given specific interest in. And then here's the file type in PDF. Let's take a look. Take a second to look at some of the topics that are available in gun violence. This is a qualitative research on perception of people's experiences regarding gun violence. All very important topics. The District of Columbia and gun control laws, homicides, and social impacts. These are all important in gun violence. This is in Alabama, and there's various areas that have been explored through dissertations, and these can be fertile ground for providing an impetus for further research and writing dissertations in the future. One other point that I wanted to make is I wanted to actually give an example of original research that we conducted. Our gun violence group had, as of today, has been meeting throughout the year many times, and so we have now come up with a research article that we've submitted for peer review publication. So as we scroll down, there's so many different topics. Gun violence by young women, gun violence in young men, firearm restriction and its impact in reducing crimes in California. This list just keeps going, and this shows the interest of the people. And this is one of my collaborators. He wrote extensively on epicrim, and so we have included this model to apply and understand how epicrim applies to social vulnerability index or indices. So there's a lot of areas of research that can be explored here. So PTSD in African American males, of course, intimate partner violence is included in here as well. I wanted to go over one that was in the area of public health. And remember, I told you there were multiple dissertations in this area. However, this one was looking at mental illness and mass shooting fatalities. So again, there is interest in many different disciplines about a same topic area. And this can be actually used as an example in any sort of research collaboratory efforts. So this is an overview of how not only you can take a look at exploring gun violence, but also taking a look at how you can use gun violence to understand how to explore other topic areas as well. And this should give you a good overview on that. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.